Who am I here with?
I'm Evan.
And what's your position on the team?
I am the team captain and programming lead.
And what has programming been doing in the preseason?
In the preseason, we've been working on recoding subsystems from last year's robot in order to learn about new libraries, and we went over PID tuning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Alex,
And what's your position on the team?
electrical lead.
What has electrical been doing in the preseason?
We wired a whole drivetrain from scratch. We also soldered a bunch of can coders, and then we also finally set up the canivore.
Thank you very much. Who am I here with?
Leah,
And what's your position on the team?
field lead.
What have you guys been doing over the preseason?
So we took down pretty much the rescape field that we made last time, and we just count how much wood we have so we're ready for the season.
Thank you very much. Who am I here with?
Trip.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm the CAD and strategy lead.
What has the CAD team been doing for the preseason?
We did a quick project to CAD a robot from Infinite Recharge to introduce new CAD students to our workflow, like how we do sketching, motion studies, and all the way up to assemblies.
Thank you very much. Who am I here with?
Skylar.
What is your position on the team?
I'm assembly lead.
Your assembly lead, and what has your assembly team been doing over the preseason?
During preseason, we made the swerve pods and we harvested parts from old robots.
Fascinating. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
My name is Cameron Merritt.
And what's your position on the team?
I am the lead of Fab.
And what has fabrication been doing in the preseason?
So we've been mainly setting up our machines, setting up the shop, and making sure everything's running smoothly before we have to cut some real pieces.
Thank you very much.
Of course.
Hello? I am testing this.